Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing your claim. State one clear thesis about meaning or effect and tell why it matters. Once chosen, collect 3 to 5 passages that directly support that claim, noting page numbers and immediate reactions. Make sure to jot context, who speaks when, and why it matters to your argument. These preparatory moves let you move from general impressions to targeted analysis, so you can write with evidence rather than vague opinion. Once done with prep, construct each paragraph around a single analytical move. Start with a topic sentence that ties to your thesis, introduce a short quote, and explain precisely how it functions. You should analyze diction, syntax, imagery, tone, and structure, showing cause and effect between technique and effect. Make sure to address one counterreading or limitation, then reconcile it with your core claim. This layered method keeps your argument logical and persuasive. You conclude by synthesizing implications. Connect your findings to the larger question and suggest what they reveal about the text. Then revise for clarity, cut passive constructions, tighten transitions, and verify each quote and page number. Read aloud to check pacing and tonal shifts. If your argument stalls, troubleshoot by returning to a single, decisive passage. Rebuild one paragraph around it and let that energy realign the rest. That focused
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.